IamBiscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully everybody is having a good day. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys did today. So today I basically just went to work, came home, relaxed, and now I am editing some videos for you guys. So today's video is basically going to be me doing some nail forms, and so my client wanted them clear at first, but then she changed her mind and then wanted some color. So you will see that towards the end of the video. She kind of wanted a mini coffin shape. She didn't want it as pronounced, but she wanted it coffin shape. So as you can see, I'm just kind of bringing it in just a little bit, not too much. So it's kind of looking square, but really it's a coffin shape, but on shorter nails, of course. So got to give the client what they want, and it turned out really nice. I do have the pictures on my Instagram. If you aren't following me, you should be. So follow me at IamBiscuit7. I do follow all of my subscribers back. No matter who you are, we are a community together. And I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been sending me by subscribing. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss another video. Comment down below, let me know what videos you want to see. If you want me to just do a Q&A, you want to know a little bit more about me, about when I started to do nails, let me know. I'm here to give you guys whatever content you guys want to see about nails or questions about nails. So yeah, leave that down below. So as you see, I am shaping the nails after I did the nail form. So if you notice on that first nail, the pinky nail that I did, there was a little bit of acrylic, but that is normal from when you lay the acrylic on the nail forms, because you're trying to clean up the nail shape as much as possible. So that's the purpose of just going back through and actually using a nail file to shape your nails. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to keep going, and we're going to use the nail file, and we're going to get rid of any lumps or any bumps that we may have in the nail. I was explaining to my client, she was like, so what happens if there's any lumps or anything in the nail? I said, well, we're going to shape those out with the nail file. So I was basically not saying giving her lessons or anything, but you know, she was asking questions and stuff like that. So I was basically telling her, like, we're gonna get those out, and so I was having her to feel and, you know, kind of let her know, like, I make sure that I get all the bumps out, you feel the before and after and things like that. So I answer all sorts of questions with my clients just to make sure that they know that I'm taking their manicure and their set to heart, and I'm not just doing any old little thing. I'm making sure that it's smooth and that everything is good. So you can just run your finger over it. That way you'll know whether or not you got all the lumps out.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll never have the sacred stone. Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay, so I just got through going around the cuticle just to make sure that we don't have any acrylic close to the cuticle area. And so now I'm taking my brush bit and I'm just getting any dust or debris out of the cuticle. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel base coat by D&D. And we are going to cure that in the nail lamp for approximately 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So I normally just paint over each nail, and then I go through and make sure I clean up around the cuticle just to make sure that there is no base coat on the cuticle, around the cuticle. It just makes for an easier cleanup.